India ranked at which position in BNEF's 2020 Climate Scope Survey? Second. International Day of Neutrality 2020 is observed on which date? December 12th. India's first National Center for Divyang Empowerment launched in which state? Telangana. Name the scheme launched by the Indian government to improve the Wi-Fi availability in public space, India. PM Vani. Who has been elected as the World Squash Federation president? Zina Wooldridge. Who has topped in top 50 Asian celebrities in the world list 2020? Sonu Sood. Which state government has signed first of its kind MOU with Cornell University to set up world-class incubation center? Maharashtra. India has conduct meeting on drug control cooperation with which country? Myanmar. What is the theme of the World Bank Interministerial Meet 2020? Vaccination of South Asia against COVID-19. What is the theme of IWIS 2020? Earth Ganga River Conservation Synchronized Development. Which company has signed MOU with NSDC to support skilling of teachers and trainers? Byju's. Universal Health Coverage Day is celebrated on which day? December 12th. What is the theme of Indus Entrepreneur Global Summit 2020? Entrepreneurship 360. Which bank has launched 3-in-1 account for the customer? Equitas Small Finance Bank. Government has launched which scheme to boost India's infrastructure? Viability gap funding.